Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. So I'm going to be doing another pearl pour. I played around with my paints and the recipe this weekend, and I think I've got it down. The thing I'm really discovering with this particular technique is it's not just the recipe. You really have to look at your colors and the density. There's a lot more to it. The paints really have to be layered a certain way or they don't work. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is the Artist Loft White. This is called Cocoa. It's by Decoart. I got it super cheap, as you can see. Then we have, let's see. Oh yeah, Sterling Silver by Decoart. And then I'm doing this light blue mixed with pearl white and metallic silver. I just wanted a really light bluey gray color. And this is Burnt Sienna. So I'm going to do the cocoa as a base color. And that one is mixed at a ratio of 1 part paint to 1 part floetrol. Because it's a craft paint, it's really runny. So the next layer is going to be thicker paints, and that is mixed 1 part paint to 1 part floetrol to a 1/2 part of Artist Loft Medium. And so for this I'm doing the light blue, pearl white color, and then sterling silver. And then I'm going to do a top layer which is really thin. And that one is going to be the Artist Loft White and the Burnt Sienna. And those are mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts floetrol, and 1 part distilled water. And the goal is to tilt them really quick and let the pearls pop up naturally. So, stay tuned and see how this is going to work out. right, so you can see the pearls have already popped up, and really I probably should have stopped tilting when these first cells popped up over here at the top, because this is what it ended up with. Oh, this is my color scheme here. So you can see the pearls, I got pearls, but as it dried, I'm not sure I'm so crazy about exactly what I ended up with here. I don't know. All right, guys, I'm back. This did not, let me start with, when I was kind of trying this out and practicing on a little, just a little piece of canvas, I thought I had it really down, and I followed that same technique and the layering, everything exactly the same as I did last time. And it still turned out completely different, not even close. So this is the finished. Let me get up close because I have no idea why I got no pearls popping up over here at all. Somehow the pearl paint totally missed this section. But then, I don't know if you can see really well, the brown, when the pearls popped up, the brown got like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's very strange. So I don't know how I feel about it. I'm kind of liking it, kind of not. It also has a little bit of texture to it with the pearls, which is kind of neat. I gotta think on this one. Yeah, it's gonna go sit in the drying closet for months while I think about whether or not I like it and I wanna keep it, or if I wanna, you know, just kind of paint over that one and call it a day and decide pearl pours are not for me. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep coming back, click the like button, the subscribe button, and I will see you again soon. Bye.